On behalf of GAIL, I really feel a lot of pleasure to be associated with Smart India Hackathon, the fourth edition of which is organized by AICTE under the aegis of Ministry of Human Resource Development. I really feel thrilled when I see the activities which are being performed under SIH. It gives a nationwide platform to the students to find the solutions of the pressing problems which we are facing in our day to day lives, which in turn inculcates a culture of innovation and a mindset of problem solving. When the competitiveness in the global markets is increasing day by day, there is a need that government, industries, and academia work together closely and also collaborate with a greater degree of cohesion. What I find the fascinating feature of the SIH is that the kind of the scale in which it is being organized, more than 2 lakh students, more than 2000 academic institutions, and more than 100 organizations. It definitely, I feel that it will give the students a lot of challenge so that the hidden talent comes in the form of data analytics, finding a solution, analyzing the various options, going in depth with coming out the various pros and cons of those particular solutions and converging into a final destination. And since the problems are mostly pertaining to the industries, definitely the solutions which will come up, they will greatly help for the industry to get the more efficiency and more productivity. GAIL is participating in it, and GAIL has posed 3 problems to the students. They are actually relating to the asset performance monitoring, powered procured system, and alarm management and its analytics. The students of MGM Engineering College, Ernakulam, Kochi, they have given the solutions of it, and they have been evaluated by none other than the GAIL team of evaluators comprising 12 such very wise evaluators from GAIL. It's a great platform, and since it is giving the most important objective which I am finding it is fulfilling is that it is giving an environment where you are actually utilizing your knowledge and skills for the application of that solution to the for the masses. That is an application part which makes this whole initiative absolutely different and very useful. At the end, I would like to thank all the stakeholders connected with this event, be it Ministry of Human Resource Development, AICTE, event organizer, academic institutions, other organizations associated with it, so that this is a particular endeavor which will challenge everybody from within to come out for the innovative solutions for the masses. Thank you so much.